By 2025, AI won't just be an option, it'll be the driving force behind major breakthroughs in careers and businesses. Stick around, because in this video, I'll reveal exactly how to harness AI to dominate your future. Yasser Selim is here. Today, we're talking about a trend that's redefining success across every industry: artificial intelligence. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or climbing the corporate ladder, AI can skyrocket your productivity, spark innovative ideas, and grow your income. Recent studies show that 67% of businesses already use AI in some form. So if you're not leveraging it, you're missing out. Let's explore how to turn AI into your biggest ally for 2025 and beyond. AI isn't brand new, but what's different now is accessibility. In 2023, tools like ChatGPT broke records with 1 million users in just 5 days. By 2025, nearly 80% of companies are projected to fully integrate AI into daily operations. This is creating two groups: the AI savvy who flourish and those left behind. Let me tell you a story. David, a graphic designer, spent hours searching for ideas, writing captions, and designing layouts. He started using AI tools like Soda Marketing AI to handle the grunt work, and within months, he doubled his client base while halving his workload. David's story isn't a fluke, it's the new reality. Emails, scheduling, data entry, AI can handle these, freeing you to focus on higher-level tasks. A McKinsey report found that 20-40% of typical office work can be automated. Upskilling and reskilling. Online AI courses are everywhere. Spend an hour a day learning prompt engineering or AI analytics. Recruiters are seeking these skills big time. Imagine a world where you never worry about tedious tasks again, where your main role is to create, strategize, and problem solve. Sounds liberating, right? Tools like predictive analytics can forecast sales trends, optimize marketing campaigns, and streamline product development. Whether you're creating social media posts or testing new product ideas, AI saves time and money by automating the creative grunt work. Now you can launch faster, test effectively, and pivot with ease. Picture your brand pumping out engaging content daily, building trust, and winning hearts without draining your resources. Something like this can be done by tools like Soda Marketing AI, where you rapidly create, schedule, and publish stunning content to your social media channels every day. Imagine combining multiple AI tools to handle complex, repetitive tasks. For instance, you can link ChatGPT, Notion, Zapier, and Gmail to create an automated email responder, one that replies instantly in the exact tone and style you or your team would use. You can even leverage this setup for sales, automatically following up with potential clients in seconds. Now, let's talk about mastering a specialized AI tool. Take Sami, a front-end developer who excels at using Visio.dev to build user interfaces. He's doubled his productivity and cut his workload in half, so much so that he earned a raise and a promotion, surpassing more experienced colleagues who resisted AI. Yes, it might feel like having a cheat code, but that's the reality of today's workforce. Your boss values speed and excellence above all else. And if you're a business owner, the market isn't interested in whether you're using AI or not. It simply demands results. Bottom line, heading into 2025 and beyond, those who embrace AI will be the ones shaping the future. All of this might sound futuristic, but the reality is it's happening right now. Companies that adopt AI early are swallowing up market share. Employees who master AI skills are getting the promotions, the raises, the recognition. Still not convinced? Let me show you how you can start benefiting immediately. List out daily tasks that sap your time, like data entry or basic image editing. ChatGPT for writing, Soda Marketing AI for creative design, Midjourney for image generation, try them all. Craft precise commands or queries to get the best output from AI. This is the difference between mediocre and mind-blowing results. Test in small doses, gather feedback, then ramp up. Don't be afraid to fail quickly and learn fast. You don't have to revolutionize your entire workflow overnight. Start small, like David did with his design tasks, or like Sami with his software development tasks, and watch the ripple effect on your productivity. Caroline's e-commerce success. Her online store was stagnant. She used AI for market research and social ads. Her monthly sales tripled. Miguel's work-life balance. He was burning out with 60-hour weeks. Automating half his tasks let him spend more time with family and still grow his income. These aren't fairy tales. They're everyday people who dared to incorporate AI. When you hear these stories, you realize AI isn't just about profits. It's about living better, feeling happier, and unlocking your true potential. I know it's easy to feel overwhelmed. What if AI takes my job? Or what if I can't keep up? Embrace AI as a partner, not a threat. The winners of 2025 will be those who collaborate with these tools and adapt to the new landscape. The losers? Those who stand still while the world transforms around them. Dominating 2025 is about more than learning a few new programs. It's about a mindset shift. Embrace continuous learning, remain open to experimentation, and step out of your comfort zone. AI is the greatest accelerator you'll find for career and business success. You will find links to all AI tools we mentioned in this video in the description box. If you found value in this, click that subscribe button, smash the like icon, and share this video with a friend who needs to hear it. Drop a comment if you're ready to take action. And hey, if you're still on the fence, remember, the future won't wait for you. Go out there and shape it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll dive even deeper into using AI for next level innovation. Take care and keep evolving.